7 foods to stay away from on the keto diet recipe for weight loss. Please kindly do subscribe to this channel, also like the video, and turn on the notification bell, so that you will be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Thank you. In the keto diet, there are several foods to stay away from. The keto diet is strongly associated with weight loss for many people, despite being debatable and not fit for everyone. Understanding the eating habits of those who follow the ketogenic diet has resulted from this. It is feasible to reap significant benefits from the keto diet with the aid of a list of foods to stay away from. Avoid the following 7 foods. 1. Baked items such as white bread, whole wheat bread, buns, and pastries. 2. Sugary foods, ice cream, maple syrup, agave syrup, and coconut sugar, to name a few. 3. Drinks with added sugar, such as soda, juice, tea, and sports drinks. 4. Starchy foods such as pumpkin, corn, peas, sweet potatoes, and potatoes. 5. Beans and legumes such as kidney beans, black beans, chickpeas, and lentils. 6. Fruits like pineapple, citrus, grapes, and bananas. 7. Alcoholic drinks with added sugars, such as beer. Although it may seem like a lot of foods are off limits, there are many dishes that are great and still adhere to the keto diet plan. There are many foods available that may be employed to create delectable meals that are also in line with the keto diet strategy. Subscribe to my channel for more videos on keto diet recipes and tips for weight loss. If you wanted to get a custom keto diet or dessert made up for you, just click on this link in the description below for more recipes.